Greetings to respected Dr. Deepali Jat ma'am. This is Kashika Singh, a student of Dr. Hari Singh Gaur Central University, pursuing BSc 5th semester from combination BAZ. And my topic of today's presentation is Mhc molecules, or in other words, major histocompatibility complex. I have divided my presentation in 4 basic parts. In first part, I will include definition of Mhc molecules. Then we will move to some basic concepts and example for better understanding. Then third part is function of Mhc molecules, and then final part will be types of Mhc molecules. So, firstly moving to the definition. So, Mhc molecules, as I mentioned on my slide, are the group of genes that code for proteins found on the surfaces of cells that help the immune system recognize foreign substances. The first question arises in our mind: what is the work of these molecules in our body? So, I will use here very simple words to tell you the function of Mhc molecules, that is recognition and identification. If we are saying recognition and identification, then again a question arises: recognition of what? So, it simply means recognition of antigen, means to identify between self and non-self antigen. Here, I would like to use a very simple example of mice. As you can see, there are 3 mice A, B, C respectively, in which A and B are identical twins, whereas mouse C is non-identical one. Suppose mouse A skin is damaged to any reason, then the identical mouse B skin will be grafted into the mouse A, and the graft will be accepted by mouse A. On the other hand, suppose mouse C is any friend of mouse A, then if the skin grafted to mouse A from C will be rejected. I would like to draw your attention towards the rejection. What was the major cause of this? So here, donor cell is recognized as non-self or foreign by host, and then T cytotoxic cell kills the donor. Then moving to the function of Mhc molecule. So Mhc molecules always recognize only T lymphocytes. The 2 types of Mhc are worked in immunity. T helper cells recognized by Mhc molecules 2, and T cytotoxic cells are recognized by Mhc1 molecule, and it helps to identify the antigen between self and non-self body. Now moving to the final part of the presentation, what are the types of Mhc molecules? So here I have included 3 types: Mhc class 1, Mhc class 2 and Mhc class 3. Mhc class 1 and Mhc class 2 are involved in antigen presentation, whereas Mhc class 3 is not involved in antigen presentation. Mhc class 3 is a secreted protein and it plays a major role in inflammation. Then Mhc class 1 and Mhc class 2 are the important topic of immunology. So we will focus on these 2 topics. So Mhc class 1 molecule are expressed by all nucleated cells, and Mhc class 1 molecule are composed of alpha polypeptide and beta 2 microglobulin. As you can see in the diagram, there are alpha 1 and alpha 2 and alpha 3. They are the domain of alpha polypeptide. They are transmembrane protein and their weight is around 45 kilodalton. They are encoded by Mhc class 1 molecule. Now, what is beta microglobulin? They are peripheral protein which weight around 12 kilodalton. They are non-covalently interact with alpha polypeptide. Now, we will move to the second part, that is Mhc class 2 molecule. You can see on right side Mhc class 2 molecule diagram. It is expressed by antigen presenting cells. It composed of B cells, macrophages and dendritic cells. They are processed and present antigen to T helper cell. So I think my topic is clear to you all. At last but not the least, I would like to thanks to ma'am for her benevolence and magnanimity.